Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to join Shopee affiliate program and earn easy income online. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more basic helpful content like this. Without all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, just open up your internet browser and go to google.com, and here just search for Shopee affiliate program like this, and then just click on the first link. Just gonna wait for it to load. And for some reason it's not loading, so if it doesn't load for you, you can just download the application, and then you just have to sign up to the affiliate program, and you can start promoting products and everything to earn money. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.